Hey guys. Hey. Yeah, she already cut open the chicken. She started with what? She started without me. So now I don't know what's happening. I think she just cut up all the fat off the chicken. We're making tikka masala. Chicken tikka masala. We got the sauce here. Look at it. Organic. She be trying to feed me healthy. Like, bitch, I want stuff to clog my arteries. Like this. Like, I'm gonna throw it up. Anyway. What? Oh, you need me to open it? Because I'm a strong guy. Opened it. Oh, I need to wash my hands.
You didn't wash your hands?
No.
Did you touch any of the food?
No. Rule number 1 for cooking. You gotta wash your hands. Rule number 1 if you live in the hood.
Shut up! What the fuck?
What? All I told him is rule number 1 when you live in the hood. Wash your hands before you cook. Ooh. I'm gonna drop out and become a SoundCloud rapper.
Drop out of what, bitch?
I mean, quit my job.
You're not in school.
Yeah, I am a high school graduate, actually. Hey, don't drop the jar. See how she's holding it? She's like, Okay, first step, wash your hands, of course, get them nice and clean, and then have a beautiful girlfriend. And then you cut up the chicken, cut the fat off, right? Boom, like she did. And then you gotta put the oil in a little pan like this. Dump the oil in there. And then you wait, I guess, because that's what she's doing. So you gotta dump it in a little pan right there. Oh, that sounded so good. Yeah. Oh, awesome. Oh. You keep stirring the chicken until, how long do you stir the chicken?
Until it's brown.
Okay, so you stir the chicken after you put it in the pan with the oil. You want to stir it till it is brown. And then you want to get yourself some great value because we cheap. White instant rice. I'm white rice. My last name's Rice and I'm white. You get a little
We
pan.
only need 2 servings, so it's 1 cup of rice and 1 cup of water.
So.
Or should make 2 cups just in case.
Damn, I think she hungry. Hungry hippo.
It's because I can always make fried rice with the extra.
Y'all ever played Hungry Hippo? I have. It was lit. Have you been?
Yeah. Oh.
Hungry Hippo is the shit. Small pan for the rice. And then you get... How much are we doing again?
2 cups.
No, you said 3.
No, I said 2.
We said 2, 3 just in case.
No, I said 1, 2 just in case.
Oh, well, for us, it's going to be 2 cups of instant rice. Oh, wait, do I need to let the water boil first? No.
Doesn't it tell you?
In a medium saucepan, bring water to boil.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I gotta boil water first, apparently. Oh, that's not gonna be enough water for rice.
It's gonna be 2 cups. 2 cups of water.
I basically filled mine up 3/4 all the way with water.
It's 2 cups.
What about it?
It's only 2 cups of water.
Oh, 2 cups of water? You said 2 cups of rice. Oh. Well, I guess if you need 2 scoops of rice, you need 2 cups of water too. Like, who makes up these rules? This is my second cup. Y'all. And we put it to boil. Got it. I'm a man. She don't understand.
Did you open it already?
I'm the... No.
Babe,
I'm explaining.
chicken's gonna...
And then you want to open the tikka masala? I got it. No problem. Yeah. We big bodies out here. Big body bands, man, but I used to be dusty.
It smells pretty good.
You want to dump it in the chicken, the unseasoned white chicken. That looks like baby food. Ew. Ew. That looks like, on the camera, it looks like peanut butter on butter.
It's because you're not used to...
Oh no. It smells kind of funky. Okay, now when the rice is done. Wait, you gotta tell them.
I'm trying to see the instructions though.
Oh.
While you do that.
So when the water boils, you want to get the instant rice. Oh my god, you're cute. When the water gets done is boiling at its pure talent, you want to dump the rice in there. However much you want. We gonna have two. Cause we big bodies. Oh, this is dangerous.
Oh my gosh, you just wasted so much rice.
This
You
is
suck
great
at
value
this.
instead. Oh, we're dummies.
You're a dummy, not me, bitch. Don't
You already have the rice in there.
Bitch, you need more than that.
That's 1 cup.
No, it's not. Well, you better hurry up and be ready for this next
Stir in
one.
great value instant rice
Hurry.
and cover remove heat with.
You just knocked over all the rice you put in there.
And then you dump it in there. Like this. Like like that. My phone camera's all weird. Hold up. You want to dump it in there and it looks like rice and water. You put the lid on there and stay there for 5 minutes. 5 minutos. Yeah, I know my Spanish. So you cook the chicken masala, the chicken in the sauce. Okay, I don't know how to say it. And for like 12 minutes you let it sit there. And then I guess you... Okay, then you let it cook and go get Starbucks. Alright, we're back home now. And then... You know, it's cooled off. We're gonna eat after we got Starbucks. And then the Starbucks I was open was in Dillon. And we got some damn cupcakes. Half and half. Chocolate and vanilla. We're gonna try it now. Dang, you didn't even let me wait. Damn. You're gonna see this in the future and be like, damn, I never let this man wait.
Oh, I like it.
You like me? All the food. So she don't love me. Damn, you see that? It's smoking. Just like you. That shit busting. I just stepped on a noodle. I mean, the rice. This chicken tikka masala is so good.
That's not how you say it.
Hey, I give it an A. Out of a school ranking, an A. This shit busting.
You better bring your little table.
But yeah, that's how you make it. You want another video? Like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Follow me on social medias down below. And peace. See you later.